title page and preface to The Spiritual Life. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Christopher Smith. The Spiritual Life by Andrew Murray. Title page and preface. The Spiritual Life, a series of lectures delivered before the students of the Moody Bible Institute, Chicago, August 1895, by Reverend Andrew Murray of South Africa. Preface. Reverend Andrew Murray's writings have been much blessed to thousands in this and other lands. When he came to America in the summer of 1895, earnest prayers were going up from many hearts that his platform utterances might be even more abundantly blessed. God heard and answered, and the heart and lips of his humble servant were wonderfully touched with the divine fire. It was our privilege to listen to the Chicago lectures and to gather stenographic reports for publication, with a view to passing the spoken word to many who were deprived of the privilege of listening to this man of God. We send these printed pages forth, the most of which have been personally revised by Mr. Murray, with a prayer that God may use them to his glory in bringing blessing to many hearts. The Publishers. End of preface.